when Bhagavan Varaha contacted Bhumi, or the earth personified as Mother Bhumi, or Bhumi, then there was a issue from that combination. A child was born by the name of Bhaumasura, or Narakasura. So there's some correlation between Kubja and Mathura and Mother Bhumi. And that's described by Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur in his commentary. Chapter 42, text 1, where Krishna's walking down the King's Road, the main royal road in Mathura, and Lord Madhav saw a young hunchbacked woman, Kubja, with an attractive face. And she was carrying a tray of fragrant ointments and scents as she walked along. The bestower of the ecstasy of love smiled and inquired from her as follows. So this is Yantim Prahasan Rasaprada. So we say Prem Pradayate. Mahaprabhu is the giver of prema, and Krishna is Rasaraj. Rasaraj Sri Krishna, he's Rasaprada. Prahasan, he was laughing or very smiling broadly. The bestower of ecstasy of love, the Rasaprada. He who gives the ecstasy of love, this is Krishna. He was smiling broadly, then he inquired from her. So in the purport, it's being told, who is this Kubja? And she's actually a replica or an expansion of Satyabhama. And of course Satyabhama is one of Krishna's queens, his second queen, I believe, or one of his queens, after Rukmini. Satyabhama is one of the queens of Dwarkanath in Dwarkadish. And she represents the Bhu Shakti, the Lila Shakti, Bhu Shakti, Nila Shakti, different Shaktis. Soda Shakala, 16 Shaktis of the Lord. So she represents the potency, Bhu Shakti, which manifests the transcendental abode of the Lord. So this Kubja appeared. You could say Satyabhama appeared, or Bhu Shakti appeared in Mathura as Kubja. So this, of course, Bhu Shakti, she's also representing Mother Earth, who became burdened. So this Kubja, who is also representing Bhumi, because Bhumi is also an expansion of Satyabhama, or Bhu Shakti. So she was bent over. The reason Kubja was a hunchback, or bent over, she's bent over at the neck and waist and back, because of the heavy weight of demons, presence of demons like Kamsa, who were enjoying the scents. She was carrying sandalwood and other fragrances which are products of the earth. Scent or smell or gandha is the principal quality, the mukhya gun of Bhumi. The primary quality of earth is smell, fragrance, scent, saurabh. So she was engaged in making perfumes for Kamsa. So this is, you can see the relationship here. And Vishwanath is saying that, so she's actually a partial Kubja, as I mentioned. In summary, this Kubja is a young hunchback girl, is actually a partial expansion of Krishna's wife, Satyabhama. And Krishna's internal energies, Bhu Shakti, is also an expansion, known as Prithvi. So Prithvi, or Bhu Shakti, is represented here as Bhumi. So as Bhumi, Mother Bhumi, and Satyuga, Mother Bhumi, and the whole earth planet was pushed down under the Garbhodak ocean into the mud and bent down and pushed down by the heavy weight of the demon. So Kubja in Dwapara Yuga was bent over. That's why she was hunchbacked. It represents Dharma being crushed. Dharma being crushed by the heavy weight of the demoniac King Kamsa of Mathura, who was killing the cows and Brahmins and children. Putan and other Kecharis and witches were catching children and killing them. So this earth was also being bent down due to the great burden of countless wicked rulers like Shishupal and Dantavakra, Jarasandh,